Hello friends. So today I'm gonna continue the video relating the keypad phone repair video. So guys, previously I showed you guys this display which is broken, and I showed you how to detach this display from this circuit board. So today my ordered display came to me, and I soldered it back to the circuit board, and I told you guys before, this was the my first ever any kind of mobile repair attempt. And fortunately the detaching process went good, and as similar I try to solder this new display back to the circuit board, and this works perfectly, and everything is happened exactly as I expected. And I checked this without assembling everything back together. I just put the battery and try to turn this thing on, and everything turns on perfectly. So guys, you can see I have soldered this thing as before. So guys, when you soldering this thing, there are things that you have to concern. So they are, first you have to apply this flux, this kind of flux. I show you guys this flux solution before also. So this soldering paste, you have to put this on the mobile phone circuit board in these places well, and also you have to put the soldering paste on this display soldering pins also. In that way, with the heat of the bath, everything fits perfectly without burning anything out. Okay, so then I put some lead into the circuit board, and with the tip of the soldering iron, I told you guys I don't have a heat gun to heat this and put everything back together. So I'm using normal both soldering iron. So when using that, you have to take some lead to your tip of the soldering iron, and then try to uh, uh, attach those lead into these circuit board pins. There are 24 pins here. So when trying to attaching, you should not take your soldering iron tip, think this tweezers tip as a soldering iron tip, then don't take your soldering iron tip in this direction. Okay, you have to keep the soldering iron tip like this, and one by one you have to uh, take the soldering iron tip in this direction. Okay, like this, one by one you have to it's something like you painting, uh, just put very thin but strong lead layer in each tip, and you have to make sure that two tips are not connecting together with lead. Okay, so each tip, each this pin kind of things, 24 pins there, you have to make sure all are separately painted with lead. Okay, use the soldering iron tip, you have to go in this direction. Okay, one by one going to this direction, you can put lead in these tips, and then take the display take this display and get near to like this, align with the circuit board tips, and you can again, as before, you can take your soldering iron and trying to connect these things in this direction. Okay, one by one connect this. And also in this newly bought display, these 3 pins also not connected, so I have to connect these 3 pins also as mentioned here, similar to this. So likewise I connected those things and checked whether this is working by putting the battery, and using a rubber band I wrapped everything together and try to turn this thing on with this switch, and everything turns on very well, and I'm really happy about that. And now you have to make sure you have to connect everything back together. I show you guys how to disassemble this thing. So in reverse manner you have to connect everything back together. So after connecting everything back together, you have to charge this first and then you can turn this on. So I think everything is clear. The thing that I have to show you guys is how to connect the new display to this circuit board properly. So I think you guys get an idea about this fixing new display method. So thanks for watching this video guys. Let's meet with another good video.